Hello, in this video I will show you how to send money in Bank of America application. Now it's a very easy process and the way that we're going to show you is through Zelle. So what you have to do is just simply open Zelle, then just simply click on pay and transfer, then just simply click on the send option on Zelle. Over there you will have the option of select your recipient. Now in this option you have to save a recipient address, name and the bank details. You have to enter the Bank of America bank details. Once you do that, the recipient will be saved in your contacts. Then once you have that, just simply select that particular recipient and then just simply enter the amount and then just simply select a funding account, meaning the bank account that you're going to use to transfer the money from. And then if you want, you can also add some type of note. If not, just simply click on send money and you will be able to transfer the money into the Bank of America application. So that is it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.